Took my KZ 1000p motorbike to GL Motorcycle Tech to have the carburettors cleaned when the bike came back 2 months later. Bike would not start. Telephone him to complain. 3 weeks later he picks it up. 3 weeks later he brings it back, still won't start. Mechanic says nothing to do with me, it's got low compressions. But the bike started when courier picked it up and delivered it to me. I started the bike and with for a ride. But the carburettors was leaking slightly, so to be safe, have the carburettors cleaned. What a big mistake there was. Tried to talk with the toy mechanic. He didn't want to know. Time for the solicitor. Would not recommend.